In this video, I am going to show you a simple YouTube method that you can use to start making money online on a daily with CPA marketing. And the first thing you want to do is you want to download a very important plugin that's called vidIQ. So basically what you can do is go onto Google and type in vidIQ extension for Chrome Web Store. So once you do that, you are going to click on the first link. As you can see right here, it's going to bring you to a page where you can install this extension on your PC. So once you install this extension, so as for me, I have it installed already, so I don't need to take any action. So once you have that installed, then you want to go back to YouTube and you want to type in your niche keyword in the YouTube search bar, just like I've done here. So once you do that, you want to scroll down here to this section where it shows show related opportunities. Okay, so if you have vidIQ installed on your PC, it's going to help you getting your videos rank on YouTube and getting views faster, and you can also see what other people are doing to get views on their videos. All right, so vidIQ basically helps you make your videos get views faster and the best keywords and tags to target to help your YouTube video and to rank faster on YouTube. So basically, if you click on that, you are going to see a lot of keywords right here that you can target for this niche. So basically, that is one benefit of using vidIQ, right? You can see a lot of keywords right here. I can keep on scrolling that are related to this woodworking niche. And once you've done that, you want to go onto Google and type in woodworking tips. So now once you do that, you are going to see a lot of search results on Google. So as you can see, these are tips right here. So basically, if I click on this first website right here, so basically once you open the first website right here, so what you are going to basically do is you want to copy the article and you want to paste it in a Word document. So you want to basically rewrite this article and add your own twist to this article. All right, you don't want to copy the article word for word. That is absolutely wrong to do. So you can basically come to a website called quillbot.com. You can use this website to rewrite the article if you don't want to manually write it. And also, if you don't want to use AI to rewrite the article, you can basically come onto Fiverr. So if you come onto Fiverr and type in article writing, you can basically see a lot of sellers that are charging $5-10 to write articles. All right, so you can basically send it to them to rewrite the article for you. So basically, that is another option you have if you don't want to write the articles yourself. So once you have the article ready, you want to come to this website audacityteam.org and you want to download this free software to record a voiceover. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you other options if you don't want to record your voice as well. If you don't want to record your voice with Audacity, you can use this website right here. It's a text-to-speech website that you can just paste in the article. So once you paste in the article, it's going to automatically read the article out. The next thing you want to do is you want to get footage for this article. So you can come onto pexels.com and you want to type in your niche right here. You can see there are a lot of videos that you can use for absolutely free. And we also have images that you can use as well. So basically you will need this. You need to download some of these footages to make your YouTube videos. So basically what you're going to do is you want to read out what you've rewritten from this article right here by using either of the three means that I mentioned, which is either rewriting it yourself or having this software to rewrite the article for you or by hiring someone on Fiverr. So basically, if you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to record it yourself like I mentioned. And if you don't want to do that as well, there are options. You can go onto Fiverr and look for voice and type in voiceover. So there are a lot of people on Fiverr as well who are going to make voiceover for you. There are expensive ones and there are cheaper options on Fiverr as well. The next thing you want to do is to edit the video. And if you don't want to do it and there are a lot of softwares you can use to edit your videos. You can use itFilm Express, you can use iMovie Maker. And if you don't want to do the editing yourself, there are options. You can basically come to Fiverr as well, hire someone to do the editing for you. So basically, once you've done that, you want to come back to your YouTube channel that you've created and you want to upload the video. You can copy from the tag from these related opportunities right here. And also once uploading the video, you will see a lot of suggestions from vidIQ as well. You want to leave a link to your content locker in the description. All right, so once you leave a link to that content locker, and this content locker should be something of value that people in that niche want. Okay, you just don't want to put something they can easily get for free. You want to put in something of value, something they actually want in the content locker, so that will entice them to complete the locker. So once you do that, you are going to get a lot of people who would complete your content locker to get whatever is behind the locker. And if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.